the tsunami of COVID. You don't call it a wave. It's a silent tsunami devastating millions of lives.
Over 200,000 people have died in India of COVID-19, and a record 18 million people have tested positive.
People are at loss. I mean, every family is faced with COVID.
Father Noel Madichetty is the director of Dosconet, a Catholic charity in India. Father Noel, you were in Hyderabad, in the centre of India. What is the situation like there?
We are short of hospital beds. There is a huge shortage of oxygen cylinders, and medical health care is really crumbled. People are dead and they are not able to dispose them.
In the city of Ranchi in the east of India, Father Theodore Mascarenhas is the bishop. What impact is this leaving on the people that you were meeting and the faithful? How are they being affected by this disastrous pandemic that is ripping through India?
You see, it is cutting across faith lines, caste lines, rich-poor lines. It's cutting across all lines.
The daily death toll continues to rise across India, and in his parish of Ranchi, Bishop Mascarenhas says a number of priests and seminarians have now been infected.
I have 7 priests in hospital right now, and those are the lucky ones who found a hospital bed. I have another 7 seminarians who are sick.
And in the region you are in, Ranchi, and you are bishop in Ranchi, it's a very poor region. Do the people have access to healthcare, or are they simply staying at home and fighting the virus on their own?
That's our biggest problem here. Those who can rush their people to the hospitals. You know, I have taken each of my priests personally to the hospital in my own jeep very often. And there's no way out. How do you do when ambulances are not available to you?
The vaccination process in India has been slow, and with over 1 billion people, many experts feel it will take years to complete the vaccine program. With a population of 1.4 billion people, how do you think the vaccine rollout will be implemented across the country? It will be such a huge challenge.
We have managed to vaccinate 1.7% population, and it is really irony. I do not know what's a big contradiction. A country which produces the highest number of vaccination is not able to vaccinate its own people.
It's difficult. Very, very difficult. I lost a priest, 30 years old, just 1 year of ordination, 5 days ago.
Colm Flynn for EWTN News.